Hello guys, it is me, Chase77Films here, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a massive card opening. As you can see, we have some NBA hoops and some tops, and we bought this from Coastal Sports Cards here. So, and they gave me this nice shirt, so we're just gonna hop right into
Myrtle Beach on Broadway Street.
Yep, so we're gonna start out here with this tops. Baseball 2020 series or 2021 series 1. How do you get this thing open? There we go. There we go. Let me get it now. Okay.
Sorry about the lightning. One of these days we'll have lightning straight.
Okay, so open this up. I'm gonna try to do my best here. Just splitting them. Do like right there. We'll split it. So those will be for Dad. And here we go. For start off, we have the Baltimore Orioles, Texas Rangers, Joey Wendell, Get Up, the Mets celebration,
Rookie card.
rookie.
Put those on.
Who's that? Humberto Maggi. Nick Neerdert.
That's a rookie card too, dude.
Oh shoot. Nick Senzel. Dylan Bundy. Mitch Hanger. We have
That must be a hit. No.
Bobby Dalbec.
Switch it back.
Rookie card. Have Brandon Workman. Andre Gimez. Rookie Nick Madrill. Rookie James Caprilin. Rookie Alex Rom.
Alec Bowman. That's Alec Bowman.
Bowman.
Nice.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
something.
Leave that.
Leave that? Okay. Future Stars Gavin Lux. Basil Ignelz. David Boat. John Lester. Starling Marte.
Starling Marte.
A Playful Bout of Juniors. Ooh, we have a
Is that a
shiny Jake Dorizzi. We have a old school Yander Molina.
Yadier.
Old school Jacob
DeGrom.
Here we go. We're gonna pass it off to me. And
Should I sleeve those now?
no,
Okay. We'll just sleeve it up. Definitely that Alec Bowman's cool.
so there's the hits from the first half. We got that.
Wait, where are those? Okay, you put those over. Okay. Justin Verlander. Sonny Gray. Oh, Sonny Gray, 35th edition. And then we got blue parallel. Jake Bauer and Eloy Jimenez. And we got a Pete Alonso. 70th anniversary. That's a sweet card. Alright, now we're back to our base. We got a Joey Bart rookie. Joey Bart's good. That's a good rookie. Dylan Carlson rookie. Brandon Belak rookie. Michael Lorenzen. Tim Anderson. Jose Quintana. Brian Goodwin. Trevor Bauer. League leaders. Amir Garnett. No, Garrett. Amir Garrett. DJ Mayhew. Adam Frazier. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. Joakim Soriano. Randy Dobnak. Man, I'm not good with these names. Lewis Brinson. Whit Merrifield. Pretty good. Austin Riley. Michael Taylor. Gio Urshela. Jesus Sanchez. Patrick Corbin. Tony Kemp. Jay Bruce. Edgar Surgard. Malik Smith. Brandon Crawford. Chris Paddock. And Steven Metz. So
Okay, so there we go for our Topps 2021 baseball. We got best cards. We got this Jake Doblizzi Chrome and a rookie Alex Bowman. There we go. We got the sleeves.
I already sleeved these two. I don't know this one. I'm not sure about.
There we go.
Oops, sorry. Pete Alonso definitely got to sleeve that.
And then next we're gonna be opening these two hobby
I don't know about these
packs. We have a Bowman or 2020 Bowman hobby and a 2020 Stadium Club Chrome hobby.
Okay.
So there we go.
Which one should I do first?
Let's
do the Stadium Club first.
Yeah.
Tommy Edman. Lou Gehrig. TJ Zoop. A rookie card. Oh, a refractor. Jeff McNeil. Nice. Willie Calhoun.
How can you tell the refractors?
It says it on the back of it. It doesn't say it on this one, but it says it on this one.
Okay, so here we go.
See where it says refractor?
Okay, cool.
And then Ernie Banks. I remember getting that with the base Stadium Club.
Mm-hmm.
That card.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Now we'll do the Bowman.
Bowman
Chrome. Is that Bowman Chrome? Or is this just regular
No,
Bowman?
it's just Bowman.
Oh, this is Bowman. Okay. Ooh, I think I got a hit in there. Javier Baez. Brian Reynolds. Rookie of the Year.
favorites.
Bowman Chrome. Sean Murphy. Rookie card. Nice. Ooh, Jason Dominguez. First Bowman. I think that's supposed to be a good card. Chris Valmont. Tim Catre. Another Bowman Chrome. Brian Campuzan. Grant Levine. Jose Altuve. Louis Robert. Oh, nice.
Got a couple good
Let me
picks
sleeve
in
this
that
Louis
one.
Robert. And this Jason Dominguez.
Look at that card.
Yeah. And take a shot at the first Bowman, Jason Dominguez.
There you go.
Alright. Let me move these out of the way.
So, we're
To
moving
the side
it away real
here.
quick, and then we're gonna be opening this Topps Chrome, and it looks like it is the Christmas edition. It's got the so we're gonna look for the rookie sweaters out of this one. Okay.
Oops, sorry about that. That was my finger.
There we go.
Oh, while we're at it, we might as well look at these two Zions that we bought at the store. You hooked us up. Zions. Trying to get some
Rookie
Zions to store away. From my buddy
this
Kevin
has
at Jersey Bag on Subs. He said save.
8 cards per pack and 11 packs per box. So I'm gonna open 6. And Dad's gonna open 5. So here we go. 1, 4, 2.
You could just how about you open how many's in there?
11.
You open 8, I'll open 3
Okay.
since I opened 11 of the pack.
So we'll put that there. And here we go. We'll start it off. We got Chris Middleton, Chris Dunn, Andrew Wiggins, Zach Collins, Rui Hachimura. We have a Rockets varsity vanity plates, Russell Westbrook.
That's cool.
Rookie James Wiseman. Rookie Kira Lewis Jr. Nice. Oh, and this is per box on average 1 auto or memorabilia card.
Nice Rui base.
Okay, we got Jason Tatum, Patrick Beverly, Dwayne Bacon, Dennis Schroeder, Josh Jackson, rookie, that looks like a blue, Theo Maledon.
Why is it blue?
Oh no, it's purple.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. I didn't see that.
Okay, and then we have a rookie Vernon Carey Jr. and a rookie Zeke Najee.
Obviously, we're looking for LaMelos, right?
Yep.
We need a LaMelo rookie. Get it to us.
Okay. Austin Rivers, Kristaps Porzingis, J.J. Redick, Hassan Whiteside, Jonas Valanciunas, Lights, Camera, Action, Jimmy Butler.
Those are cool.
Rookie Sabine Lee, rookie Jade McDaniels.
Okay. Pretty nice cards.
Yep. I'm feeling this pack.
Feeling it.
Feel lucky.
Feeling it.
Spencer Dinwiddie.
Joel
Embiid.
That's our boy.
Markelle Fultz.
It's not our boy.
Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. Ooh, and then we have
we have a hit.
Oh, look at
nice.
that.
That's a 3-color patch.
3-color. Oh, no, this is the rookie
sweater.
sweaters. This is the rookie sweater, Zeke
That's a rookie
and Johnny.
Too. Dude, you need to.
I know.
Here.
Where's the...
Okay, the thick sleeve.
Give me the sleeve.
Here. Wait, give me this trade one so you don't mess it up.
Come on. There we go. Look at that. That is pretty cool.
Do you want to put it in a hard case too?
We will. Yeah.
I got this right here.
Another vanity plates, Trae Young. Rookie Denny Avuji. Rookie Anik Nkongwu.
Look at the little,
really
the
cool.
piece of fabric there, the white piece of fabric. So it's really a 4-color sweater. That's a nice card.
That is cool.
I hope that
Thaddeus Young.
really good.
Klay Thompson. Dwight Howard.
Dwight Howard's with.
Yeah, these are not. These must not be updated.
Sixers,
Derek White. Derrick Rose. Ooh, that's cool. And NBA Slam. Derek Nowitzki. Rookie Jordan Nwora. And rookie Jalen Smith.
Okay.
That is a cool hit. Paul George.
Good card.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. Goran Dragic. Gary Harris. Matthew Delavani. J. Rue Holiday, Aaron Holiday, and Justin Holiday.
The Holiday Brothers. Okay.
Rookie Isaac Okoro and rookie Isaiah Stewart. Luka. Jackson Hayes. Gordon Hayward. He's doing really good. DeAndre Hunter. Bogdanovich. Ooh, rookie Tyrese Maxey.
Nice, I like that.
Rookie Jameis Ramsey. Rookie Azik Poskasavi. Don't know how to say your name. Sorry.
That one's a tough name.
Tobias Harris. Serge Ibaka. Chris Paul. Miles Turner.
Good players.
Brandon Clark. Lights, Camera, Action, Kyrie.
Nice.
Rookie Desmond Bain. Rookie Cassius Stanley dunk contest.
Oh, that was his.
He was the guy in the dunk contest. I think, I can't remember if he won or not. Alright, that's it for mine.
Chase, you want to tell them how much we paid for this box?
So we paid $70 for this box. We got that hit out of it. So far, hopefully we get something else.
Maybe a LeBron.
Looking for LaMelo.
LaMelo rookie. That's what we want. A LeBron or a LaMelo rookie. Or a Zion. Draymond Green, the most hated. Kentavious Caldwell Pope. Taurean Prince. Blake Griffin. Evan Fournier.
Ooh, that's nice.
Zion Ja Morant.
Jersey swap.
Woohoo!
Look on the back.
That's a hit, bro.
And that looks like that's also green.
Hold on a second.
Because here, if we look at this one, here, see this one compared to this one.
Yeah. It's shiny.
Shiny.
What the heck kind of card is this? We have to look this one up.
Look at that.
Dang, that's definitely got to be a hit, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, that's definitely
That's
a hit.
a nice one there.
Obi Toppin.
Obi Toppin, also dunk
And
contest.
Tyrese Maxey.
Nice.
Good rookie there. Hey, look at that.
Hey, we got some nice hits out of this box so far.
That card right there is not be worth long.
Yeah. Even though I don't really know who he is.
No, Zion and
No,
Ja
I'm
Morant.
thinking-
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
thinking this one.
Zeke. George Hill. Laruna Markkinen, yeah. Paul Millsap. Tristan Thompson. LaMarcus Aldridge. Vanity Plate. Donovan Mitchell. Killian Hayes. Aaron Naismith.
Okay, so here we go. We're on to our last pack right there.
Jeez, I put them in the wrong.
Oh, come on, man.
Sorry.
So, look at that card, though.
Alright.
Look at Zion. Here we
Our
go.
last pack of the break.
Last pack. Come on, LaMelo.
Thank you to Coastal Sports Cards for hooking Chase up with that shirt so I can show you guys all. Yeah! Oh,
That's
no.
Alonzo.
Romeo Langford. Kawhi Leonard. I still like Lonzo. Buddy Hield.
Duncan Robinson.
Duncan Robinson. Michael Porter Jr. Cole Anthony. I think he's pretty good. Josh Reed.
What was our hit in that box?
Hit.
Oh, yeah, we had a purple Michael Porter.
Oh, I didn't see that. Wait, where's that at? Oh, the purple. Right.
So it's going to be the purple there.
Yeah.
Kind of see it.
Let me put these rookies over here. Let's go through
We
these, make
had-
sure we didn't hit any purples and I
Yeah,
missed them.
you could do that. And then I'll just... We had... Here we go, this. Rookie sweaters. Zeke Njani. And this... I don't know what it... It's definitely like a... Well, it's a jersey, so it's a good card, but then... It's a foil.
But it's foil, yeah. We
I don't
gotta
know
look
if it's
that
like
up, what
green
the
or
foil
something.
is. Because the other
But
one's
the
not
names...
foil.
Yeah, the names...
Show the other one.
Yeah, I'll find it real quick. Alright, so... You can see a comparison here of these.
See, that one's a foil and that
So
one's
you
not a
can
foil.
see.
That's gotta mean something.
Yeah. It's not numbered or anything, but I think it's a green. But that seems to be it for this video, so see ya.